Hey guys, my name is Dhruv, and today I'm going to be talking about the CanaKit Raspberry Pi set I got. Um, so this is the start of a new series called Pi with Dhruv, in which I will basically tell you guys how to use a Raspberry Pi, set up a Raspberry Pi, code on a Raspberry Pi. So this video is all about setup and unboxing. It's a review video. So yeah, let's get started. So let's open the box. Just a second. So this box, it's from CanaKit. So there's two sets you can buy. There's the official Raspberry Pi 4 set, and there's the CanaKit version of the set. So I bought the CanaKit version because I just thought that'd be nice. So let's get this open. As you can see, it's about this big. So the first thing is it's a read me first. So it's a warning paper. See that? So it looks like this, and it says, ensure you connect the micro HDMI cable to the main port marked HDMI 0. It's the port nearest to the USB-C power port. Okay. Do not insert the micro SD card in the board until after the board has been fully assembled in the case. Okay. Watch the case installation video at www.canakit.com Pi case. Know that the board must be installed on the flat base underneath the two notches. Do not insert the micro SD card in a USB card reader dongle connected to the board. The Raspberry Pi cannot boot from a USB card reader plugged into the USB port. So it's basically a small set of instructions, but this video is basically going to teach you how to do it. So here's another card. It's a pin diagram, and thank you for your purchase thing. And so our goal at CanaKit is to ensure your complete satisfaction and free customer service. If you have any questions, no need to return to the store, and we are happy to resolve any issues with the product. Please contact us at help@canakit.com. So we can contact CanaKit instead of the Raspberry Pi people, which is nice. So let's see. First piece of hardware we have is it's a micro HDMI to HDMI cable. That's for connecting this to a monitor, the Raspberry Pi monitor. This is the Raspberry Pi 4B. It can connect to two monitors, so I have two cables. And then I have, what is this? Important notice. Oh, this is the 128 GB SD card with, I think this has the, so this might appear as 1 GB when set into the PC. It is pre-partitioned. So this, I think this already has the operating system installed. This is our Raspberry Pi 4 computer. Let's keep that right here on the side so we can open that later. Then we have, oh, these are our Heatsinks for the Raspberry Pi. And then this is the mini power supply for the Raspberry Pi. So this will also go here on the side. This is the CanaKit case. Not too big, which is good because you don't want something really bulky. Compatible with Pi 4. I think this is similar to the other cases, the other official cases for other Raspberry Pis, like the 3 and the 3B Plus. And then what is this? This is a mini fan for the Raspberry Pi. You can keep it in the case and attach it. I'll show you guys how to do that. This is a USB-C cable. So I think this might go with the power supply. And then I have a micro SD to USB reader thing. Also, it's a small USB thing for micro SD cards. And then we have a quick start guide. And that's basically all that's in this box. Keep that to the side. And let's install the Pi in the box. So we've got our power supply, and we've got the Pi itself. So we're going to keep this here, And we're gonna open the case. Just gonna, is there another way to open it or something? No, it's like this. So you have to like open it from here. Okay, just have to put this like or something. Yes. Open. So the case is about this big. Fits in my palm. I need to keep the box to the side. And this is our case. The Raspberry Pi is going to fit inside it. These are some vents over here. There are vents on the top. And the shape of raspberry. It's nice. So do you fasten this like this? So this is when it's closed, you have to pull on it, and it opens up easily. Just close it. Just push back in. So it's back in there. So that's nice. Really easy. And is there another way to do this? How would I install that? Okay, so you pull the bottom out as well, which makes sense. So basically it's a 3-piece set. Pull the top out, and then if you want, you can pull the bottom out. Just that easy. So let's take out our Pi. And this is the 4 GB RAM edition. Link will be in the description below. So be sure to check that out if you want to buy it. Am I putting this side? Yes. So it's not there. Oh, it's the same. Okay. Oh. It's right here. Okay. And so we have our Pi 4B and a small set of instructions. Which this is the instructions. That's a small comic strip set of card. So basically, you know, be careful with the Pi. That's basically what I want to say, probably. So yeah. And then this is a manual of some sort. Let's see what it is for. Oh, it's a safety and user guide. Okay, so that'll be useful. So we have our Raspberry Pi. Let me show this to you. So over here, you're going to see 40 pins for connecting to other pieces of hardware. And I'm pretty sure this is your CPU. That's a pre-installed heatsink. These are ribbon connectors for small screens. These are USB ports, and this is a LAN port. These 4 pins over here, I don't know if you can see that here. It's closer. You're going to be seeing 4 pins right about there. Oh wait, yeah, those 4 pins, those are power pins, and where would I install them? Okay, and there's a small notch on the back over here. That's where you'll install your micro SSD card. This is basically a mini computer at the same time, so that's why it's so special. And then you have mini HDMI ports, USB-C ports, and a audio jack for that. So let's put this in the case. So you can see there's a notch for the SD card over here. So it's probably going to go like this. I don't know if you have to screw it in or not. But how you do it is you take it on top and you slide it through in this way according to the packet. Okay, so yeah, just do this, and it doesn't go inside, it just stays on top. Now you're gonna get the upper part of the case, put that on. So far so good. And then put this top part on, and see, it's done. But there's much more to that. There's a fan, and there's the operating system part. So this is the fan. Let me see. So basically the fan is going to get powered automatically when you connect it in to the pins. I'll explain that in the next video. And these are the heat sinks, which I'll be putting in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.